Sanskrit, Arunya means the first rays of the sun. As our name suggests, Arunya aims at illuminating young minds and instilling self-confidence at a very early age by delivering an interactive, communicative English curriculum to non-English speaking primary school children from the underserved sections of society. We believe that this will help build the foundation for higher education, thus enabling smoother assimilation into the mainstream. We have developed our curriculum over 5 years while teaching the children, seeing what works and what doesn't. Our focus is to improve their English speaking skills without intimidating the children. So we introduce simple and relatable vocabulary through multisensory activities which are fun and inclusive, which in turn creates an eagerness to learn English. We try and create a nurturing environment by teaching with love and understanding.
How many crayons are there? Give me green color crayon.
Crayons are there in this box, Bindu?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 crayons.
Very good. Can you give me green color crayon? Thank you, Bindu.
Okay, here.
He pats the cat. He kept the pen in the sack.
Good morning, Shweta.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'll ask you questions. Please introduce yourself.
Ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Shweta.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangalore.
Very good. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Rajesh.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is July 31.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red color. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I am 8 years old. How old are you?
I am 40 years old.
I go to Amrutali Government School. You go to?
I go to office work.
Now you can ask me, Riya.
I want a long orange in color.
Okay. So Riya, do you want carrot?
Yes.
Very good. How much should I give you?
1 kg.
Okay, Riya, I will give you 1 kg carrot.
Let's move and say, okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3, go. The snake in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Hi, my name is Anjali. The reason of joining Arunya was that I would meet some of these children at a temple almost every week, and I was very impressed with the way they behaved, the way they would stand in line patiently, wait for the prasad, and sometimes even speak few words in English like thank you.
I'm Rohini and I joined Arunya in October 2019. Arunya has been an eye-opener in terms of a child's capacity and eagerness to learn despite the odds. The premise that I am enabling a child with a skill that can help themselves is powerful to me. Engaging the children in a language that is not familiar to them, getting their attention, sustaining it as a group in the face of an array of distractions, mischief, moodiness, boisterousness, and still getting through to them, on some days not at all, and on other days it feels like the stars have aligned and the day could not have gone more perfectly.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಧನ್ವಿತಾ ಫಾದರ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಗ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳು ರಜೆ ಇತ್ತು. 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಓದೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆರುಣ್ಯ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ದವರು ಅಗೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫೋನಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರು ಬೇಗ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ನಮಗೆ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆರುಣ್ಯ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ದವರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುವಂಗೆ ಆ ಫೋನಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮನ ಮುಟ್ಟುವಂತೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಆರುಣ್ಯ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.